fits. My, but it does look nice. So grown up. Won't Jock and Trusty be surprised?
Four steps or three turns and to the left and right to the place where I marked it with a bonny, bonny bone that I buried for me own in my bonny, bonny bank in the backyard. That's a grand sight.
Jock!
Oh,
Oh, Jock! Hello, Jock.
oh, it's you, Lassie.
Notice anything different?
You've had a bath.
No, not that.
You've had your nails clipped.
Mm-mm. Guess again.
Well, I wouldn't be knowing. Why, lassie, a bonny new collar.
Do you like it?
Aye. It must be very expensive. Have you shown it to Trusty yet?
No.
Oh, we'd best go at once. You know how sensitive he is about these things.
He's dreaming.
Aye, dreaming of those bonny bygone days when he and his grandfather were tracking criminals through the swamps.
They were?
That was before...
Before what?
'Tis time you knew the truth, lassie. It shouldn't have happened to a dog. But, well, Trusty has lost his sense of smell.
No.
Aye. But we must never let on that we know, lassie. Would break his poor heart.
Which way did he go? Which way did he go?
Go?
Yeah, big fella. About 6'2". No, 3. Wore a striped suit, no collar. Why, Miss Lady, you have a collar.
Mm-hmm. And a license.
My, how time does fly.
Aye. It seems only yesterday she was cutting her teeth on Jim Deere's slippers, and now there she is, a full-grown lady.
Wearing the greatest honor man can bestow.
The badge of faith and respectability.
That's right, Miss Lady. As my grandpappy, old reliable, used to say, don't recollect if I've ever mentioned old reliable before.
Aye, you have, laddie.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's Jim, dear. Please excuse me.
Hello there, lady. Come on, beat you home. Oh, you win again. Steady now. Steady. Well, what have we here? Oh, big girl now, huh? All right. Oh, ladies first. You know, darling, with a lady here, I'd say life is quite complete.
Yes, dear. I don't imagine anything could ever take her place in our hearts.